Today we're going to discuss how to change the trimmer cord in your DR mower that has the black line plates so you get the quality cut that you deserve when you use the machine. There are two types of trimmer cord that you can use in your DR trimmer mower. The blue cord is 175 mil thick. This cuts very thick vegetation like brambles, cattails, swale grass. It's stuff that is very difficult to cut. The green cord is 155 mil thick. This is typically used for cutting grass around your house. I want to point out that this line plate cannot accept sawtooth cord. Safety is always number one. When doing maintenance on any machine, make sure the spark plug wire is disconnected from the spark plug. If your model has the parallel trimming action, make sure the cord is not on the top slot because the cord will hit the tire.
Now let's install the cord.
What you want to do is take your DR trimmer cord and you'll notice a hole on the line plates. Install the cord into the hole and push it in until it starts coming out in the middle. Then take the other end of the cord and install it in the second hole and push it in until the two cords come out together. At this point, you want to put the cords together and you want to push the loop up one level, which locks it in so it does not get pulled out when you're cutting weeds. Then pull it through. Make sure you install the second cord on the same level that you did with the first one. That's it, folks.